Today we're diving into a high-octane comparison between two titans of the tire world, the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. These are not just any tires. They're engineered for high-performance vehicles, offering exceptional grip, handling, and comfort. So, buckle up as we compare these two giants in a head-to-head showdown. When we put these two to the test, things get interesting. In wet conditions, the PremiumContact 7 narrowly outperforms the Pilot Sport 5 in braking and handling, showcasing its excellent grip. However, the Pilot Sport 5 shines in aquaplaning resistance, staying in control even when the road gets slippery. Switching to dry conditions, the story is quite similar. The PremiumContact 7 edges out the Pilot Sport 5 in braking distance and handling speed, although the differences are minimal. It's a testament to how closely matched these two competitors are. Noise levels are a crucial comfort factor, and here, the Pilot Sport 5 is just a tad quieter than the PremiumContact 7. As for rolling resistance, both tires are neck and neck, indicating that you won't have to compromise on fuel efficiency for performance. Perhaps one of the most critical aspects for consumers is tire wear and mileage. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 takes the lead with a projected mileage that outpaces the PremiumContact 7 by over 4,000 kilometers. It shows that Michelin has managed to blend performance with longevity. To sum up, choosing between the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 comes down to what you value most in a tire. If you prioritize wet and dry, the PremiumContact 7 might be your go-to. But if longevity and aquaplaning resistance are your main concerns, the Pilot Sport 5 could be the better choice. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.